Get ready to dive into a heartwarming and messy adventure where teamwork meets compassion. When a sudden storm floods the jungle and forest, leaving animals trapped in sticky mud, it's up to young rescuers like you to save the day. From a clumsy sloth stuck in a gooey puddle to a deer with muddy antlers, each animal needs your help to get clean, safe, and back into the wild. Along the way, donkeys are known for their intelligence and cautious nature. They will often pause and assess situations before acting, which sometimes is mistaken for stubbornness. Donkeys belong to the species Equus africanus asinus, a domesticated member of the horse family. Donkeys are famous for their bray, a loud, distinctive hee-haw sound used for communication. Pumas are large cats, but they can't roar, so they're classified in the small cat family, feline, rather than with lions and tigers. Pumas can live in mountains, deserts, forests, and even near urban areas, adapting well to different environments. Pumas use scrapes, scent markings, and scat to mark their territory. While they prefer the ground, they're skilled climbers and can swim when needed. Reindeer can change eye color from gold in summer to blue in winter to adapt to changing light levels. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though females are smaller. Reindeer make one of the longest land migrations of any mammal, up to 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears live in the Arctic, while pandas are native to China. Bears have excellent memory, problem-solving skills, and have been observed using tools in the wild. Bears help control prey populations and disperse seeds. For example, by eating berries and defecating in other areas, they help forests grow. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, Horses have been domesticated for about 5,000 to 6,000 years and were crucial for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses have large eyes on the sides of their heads, giving them almost 360-degree vision. Horses' hooves are made of keratin, like human nails. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Elephants live around 60 to 70 years in the wild. Black bears live across Canada, the US, and parts of Mexico, more widespread than any other bear species in North America. Black bears eat both plants and animals, with a diet of berries, nuts, insects, small mammals, fish, and carrion. Black bears have great memory, Mountain goats live in rugged, steep, and rocky mountain regions of North America, especially in the Rockies and Cascades. Mountain goats are incredible climbers and can scale nearly vertical cliffs to escape predators or reach food. Mountain goats eat grasses, herbs, mosses, lichens. Llamas have been used for centuries to carry loads, up to 25 to 30% of their body weight, for long distances. Llamas are smart, easy to train, and form strong bonds with other llamas and sometimes humans. Llama wool is warm, lightweight, and lanolin-free. Polar bears have dense fur and a thick layer of fat, blubber, to keep warm in freezing temperatures. Polar bears mostly live alone, except mothers with cubs or during mating season. Polar bears primarily eat seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. They can swim for hours to catch prey or travel between ice floes. Polar bears live mainly in the Arctic region on sea ice. Buffalo can weigh between 1,000 to 2,000 pounds, 450 to 900 kilograms, depending on species. Their thick hide protects them from bites and injuries. Buffalo eat mostly grass, but also shrubs and aquatic plants. They spend many hours a day grazing and need access to water. Lions primarily live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands in Africa. A small population also exists in the Gir forest of India. Lions weigh around 150–250 kilograms, 330 to 550 pounds. Females are smaller, around 100 to 180 kilograms, 220 to 400 pounds. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago and have been humans' companions ever since. Dogs have up to 300 million smell receptors, compared to about 6 million in humans. Dogs communicate through barking, growling, whining, body language, and facial expressions. Rabbits are not rodents. They belong to their own group called lagomorphs, along with hares and pikas. Rabbits can jump up to 3 feet, 1 meter high, and 10 feet, 3 meters long in a single leap. Rabbits produce a special type of poop called cecotropes, which they eat to absorb extra nutrients. Zebras are about 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 400 to 850 pounds, 180 to 385 kilograms. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems, often led by a dominant male stallion. Zebras need to drink water daily and often migrate to find water sources during dry seasons. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms. Hippos are very territorial and can be aggressive toward humans and other animals. Usually, one calf is born, often underwater or very close to water. Hippos communicate using sounds. Geese belong to the Anatidae family, which includes ducks and swans. The most common are Canada geese, snow geese, and greylag geese. Geese are found across North America, Europe, and Asia, often near lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Geese mainly eat grass, grains, and aquatic plants. They may also eat insects or small invertebrates occasionally. Wolves are the ancestors of domestic dogs, Canis lupus familiaris, diverging around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. Wolves form lifelong family bonds and care deeply for each other, sharing food and caring for the young and sick. Wolves howl to communicate across distances. It's used for coordination, territory marking, and bonding. Each wolf's howl is unique. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. Bulls eat grass, hay, grains, and silage, just like cows. They have a 4-chambered stomach. Leopards are incredibly adaptable. They live in forests, savannas, mountains, deserts, and even urban edges across Africa and parts of Asia. Leopards have a beautiful golden yellow coat with rosette-shaped spots that help with camouflage. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one go, and they can go up to 2 weeks without water. Camels live for about 40 to 50 years, used for transport, milk, meat, wool, and carrying loads. Camels' gestation period is about 13 to 14 months, usually giving birth to one calf. Their mouths can handle prickly plants that would hurt most animals. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one go, and they can go up to 2 weeks without water. And how real-life wildlife rescuers spring into action. Roll up your sleeves for hands-on learning. At our Muddy Rescue Station, you'll use kid-safe tools to gently clean toy animals or plush stand-ins while learning fun facts. Why do pigs love mud? How do birds take baths?